Guys, as you two know, like there we are at work, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are cooking my favorite vegetable. Turnip! Yeah, we're cooking up some rutabaga actually. Technically, I always called it turnip when I was a kid, but I don't know why, but that's what we always called it. But I'm gonna cook up, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm mixing up, and we're also having some smoky style grilled tenderloin. Oh, good. So that's what we're having. Hey guys, so I just got done recording a video, and now I'm watching Back to the Future, you guys, which is gonna be awesome. So that's what new. Guys, I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow. It's brand new video. Good. Bye.